2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, power seat, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.